Hi, this video is about how to video your own presentations. For this, I'd recommend you use Zoom. Um, you can create a Zoom meeting and then make a recording in the cloud, which you can then easily share. So start off by creating your presentation. You can use Google Slides or PowerPoint or whatever you want. Once you've done that, then you need to start Zoom. Hopefully you already have the Zoom app installed. So if you open Zoom, to use the cloud recording, you'll need to be logged into your Brooks Zoom account. So if you click on your icon here, then you should be able to see whether you're logged in properly. So here I've got my staff number at brooks.ac.uk and it says licensed. Okay, so what we want to do is start a new meeting. So here we've got a meeting. I'm the only person in it, but I can still use it. Next, I'm going to share my screen. And instead of taking the full screen, I'm going to take the presentation. My presentation doesn't have any videos, so I don't need to take any of these options, and I'll now click share. Next, I'm going to start the presentation, but I'm going to move my image to near where my webcam is, and then click present. And now we're ready to go. So we need to start recording. If I hover over where it says you are screen sharing, I get the menu and I can click on record to the cloud. Continue.
This meeting is being recorded.
And now I'm ready to go. Hi, this presentation is about recording Zoom presentations. So to start with, create your presentation in Google Slides or PowerPoint, and then start the Zoom app, create a new meeting. To get the best light, then make sure that you're facing a window or facing a source of light. If you're backlit, if you've got a window behind you, then you'll be silhouetted. So once you're happy with that, then click Share Screen and select the presentation and click Share. Move the thumbnail of yourself to near the camera because your eyes will be drawn to it, and so if you're looking at the image of yourself, then on the recording it will look like you're looking at the audience. Start the recording, record to the cloud. If you don't have a cloud option, then that probably means that you're not logged in as on your student account, or your student account hasn't been properly linked to the Oxford Brookes license. So please look at my other slides using Zoom as a student if that's the case. Okay, once you're recording, you give your presentation. Give it to the camera. Try not to worry about making small mistakes. This is an alternative to doing a live presentation, and if it was live, then obviously you wouldn't have an option to redo. If you make large mistakes, then you can always redo it, but you don't want to spend the whole day doing new takes. If you need to stop it for a brief moment, then you can choose Alt-P or pause the recording, and then the same thing again to continue. Once you've finished, then click Stop Recording from the same menu, and then you can stop the share, so stop screen sharing where it clicks on Stop Share, and end the meeting for all. After a few minutes, could be longer, then you should get an email to confirm that the recording is available. So open the email and click on the link where it says for host only. Click here to view your recording. This will open your Zoom account on the internet, and you'll be able to see the different files that are available for this recording. Now, almost certainly you want to trim the beginning and end. With this version of editing, we can't trim in the middle, so it's just what we call top and tailing. So click on the image of your recording, and then there's a scissors icon. When you click on that, then two cursors come up. They start off at the either end of the recording, and you can drag them to where you want. It may take a few times to get this right, but once you're happy with the range of your presentation, then you can click save. So you can click save multiple times, but once you're happy, then you're done. Next, we can close that tab and go back to the overview, which has the different files, and click on share. So the defaults are probably fine. Sharing publicly, you could change it to only authenticated users, so that would mean that somebody would have to be logged in to possibly their Brooks Zoom in order to view your recording. You probably don't want viewers can download, they're just wanting to watch online. And if you click on copy the sharing information to the clipboard, then when you paste it, you'll get roughly what's on this screen. So topic will be your personal meeting room, date, the recording link, and then the password to access that recording. If you want to view the password or edit it, then you can click show and edit on the share screen and then click done